I said that shit is sketch. Luckily I put the fucking stand inside. So what's up, guys? Here with my cousin Brian, the owner of the green CRV that we did the trunk wood floor like 2 years ago or so, and now he got a new CRV, so we're swapping the parts from his old one. So he had the stock tails, so he's putting the clear right there, the clear tails, and with this car he's gonna keep it where he's gonna do some probably an eBay build, like slam it, no camber, just stupid low for no reason, and mess with the paint. But he got this, he got rid of this one because it has a misfire and it has like a lot of rust. It's an up north car a lot, so this one is a Florida car, nice and clean. It's ugly as hell because it's stock, just like his old one, ugly as hell. But yeah, super clean, doesn't have a misfire, runs super nice. We're gonna swap his headlights today, and like I said, the tails that he got, and then we're probably just gonna wash all the cars because all our cars are filthy. And we're debating if we should do the wood floor that we have on his car now. We should move it over to this one. So it's super easy when you swap the tail lights on this car. Is what, 3 bolts, 3 screw bolts, whatever. And he's cleaning on the inside because it's really nasty. But these look so much better on the black than when it was on this green car. I want to put this one up there just so we can compare real quick. Oops. Like what? So this is the clear tail on the black. It looks so good in my opinion. He's obsessed with them. And this is the stock one. Welcome to my YouTube. Welcome to the CRV channel. Fuck the Civic. Nah, so today we're working on my cousin's Brian CRV. Like I showed a little bit earlier in the video, he got the new one, the black one, so we're swapping everything out. We already did the tail lights. This is the old green one, so we already did the tail lights. He has the clears on the other one over there. And today we're gonna swap the music and the 4 speakers and the radio. So we're just gonna pull all the wires and everything out, and the amp obviously, so we can put it into the black CRV. So we want to remove his fuse holder for the amp wire, and we found this. So the terminal, or whatever it's called, completely melted through the fuse holder, and luckily that wasn't touching metal, because I could have caused a fire, because that's the wire that goes straight to the battery, so there's no fuse in between. So we gotta cut this wire, see if it's still good, which should still be good on, and get a new one of these, new fuse holder. But we're still gonna rerun the wires, because from there and back it's good. But yeah. So we got all the wires out, so the RCAs, the ground, the remote cable, the power cable, and we're gonna redo the front like foot with the fuse holder, because it's, like you guys saw, burnt basically. So he's just putting all back all the trim panels, and on this side all the panels are out, so I'm just gonna let him put it back because I don't feel like it. But yeah, that's done. Oh, we took out the radio as well, which is here. So we're gonna swap out the radio from that one to this one. And we just missing to take out the speakers because he has 4 kicker speakers that go straight to the radio. Should be pretty easy after that. It's gonna be more of like a tedious thing. So we're in the black CRV now. We're doing the radio first, and that's the easiest. We have the old one with the panel and everything. We just gotta take this one out and replace it. It should be easy because they both have the wiring harness, so no wires were cut on either of them. Boom. Perfect. Check, actually, turn it on.
Oh, let's see.
Imagine it's the buttons. Not the buttons. There we go. So radio is at least done. So now we just gotta run the wires for the amp and the subs and change the door speakers from the other car. So we got the amp mounted there. So we drilled the holes. We made new holes for these because these screws are too small. And then we did one in the bottom that you can't see. So we're just gonna make contact. Are you gonna put the wood in here?
Kind of how it looks like.
We're thinking about putting just the carpet back or the wood, whatever you would call this, the wood floor that we did a couple years ago. We'll see what we end up with. But yeah, at least the amp is done. And we just gotta run the power wires and the RCA and stuff, which should be pretty simple. Hi! So you can see there's a grommet there that you can make a hole to. The focuses. And we ran, this is like a 4-gauge wire through there. So you have enough space to plug into the positive, put the fuse and start it on, whatever. And then you go behind the carpet. I forgot to show it, but it comes out through behind the carpet. That's nasty. Somewhere in there. So it comes out through like over there, in that area. Over there. Then we just ran it through. We ran it under the carpet. I hate when people run it through here because then you can't get the panels fitting right. So we ran it under the carpet completely. And through these little gaps. Don't run it over because same thing, you're never gonna get the panel to sit flush. So we ran it through. It's hard to show, but they have little holes there. And same thing back here. You can see we ran it through the hole so that this sits flush, and when you put the panel in, it sits flush and it's not like ugly. So now we just gotta route the rest of the wire through behind the carpet to get it to the back and connect the power to the amp. And it's gonna be the same thing for the RCAs on the other side. It's pretty straightforward, it's just time consuming. So for the power wire, we got it ran through the carpet as I showed. Under here, we took out the cover that goes on this back seat, there like that. However that goes, we took that off. So then we'll have access to under the carpet here. We ran it through to the side so that it rests there in the middle over here, which is gonna go straight to the ampere, so it's gonna be like super nice. And then we just gotta route the RCA and remote wire on the other side. He's already done basically putting the rest of the panels here, and then it should be all good to go. No wire showing, everything is super nice, super fitted. So yeah. So we're running the RCA and the remote wire. So from the head unit down to come out on the carpet here. Shows a little bit, but it doesn't interfere with anything, so that's fine. Then it goes under the carpet to this side, and everything is under the carpet here. So it goes to the back, it goes over this carpet here. It has the hole, but we weren't able to put it through because it already has the gas cap lever there. So we put it over, covered it with the carpet, same thing, all the way to the back, and same thing as the other side. We took off the cover, and we're running the RCAs under the bars so that it can, the panel can sit over that, and then it'll be good to go. So we got the radio done, the door speakers, we changed them to the kickers that were in that CRV. All four of them. We didn't finish wiring the amp. Well, we just gotta put the wires on here. But on the front, like you guys saw earlier, we can't finish it until we get the new fuse holder and fuse and that new piece for the front. But pretty much all done. He's gonna put the carpet on here, and we're good to go for now.